I'm here at 7-Eleven and I saw this guy. I guess because he's been so hungry and then he's talking to himself. So I bought him some food. Now he's eating. Ayan ang magagawa pag talagang nagutom na yung tao, ano. Nawalan na siya ng bait, I guess. At least he's harmless naman. Nagpasalamat naman siya. At least mukhang wala naman siyang problema kasi nagsasalita mag-isa. So it's okay. Basta importante nakakakain. Nakakainom.